Hey, how's it going? It's Keith Townsend from the CTOadvisor.com, recapping SAP SAPPHIRE 2018 down in Orlando, Florida. I hosted theCUBE. Got a chance to talk to an awful lot of industry experts, people that are really movers and shakers in the industry. What I wanted to get a sense of is where's SAP when it comes to cloud native technologies. You know, SAP usually isn't mentioned in the same breath as topics such as CI/CD or DevOps or any of the latest and greatest buzzwords. However, SAP drives the business. 77% of the world's transactions are transacted through an SAP system. So extremely important technology within the enterprise. Where is the cloud story? You know what? 2 or 3 years ago, if I would have gone to an executive and said, you know what, we should seriously consider running SAP in a hyperscale cloud, I probably would have got left out of their office. This is something that small businesses do that can't afford the CapEx expense of rolling out SAP. It's not something that grown-up companies do. Well, that story has changed quite a bit in the last 3 years. Even if you're going beyond the classic lift and shift scenario for most SAP implementations in the cloud, the ability to spin up workloads quickly for non-prod is game-changing for most organizations. I'm not exaggerating when I say that large organizations can spend 2 to 3 months just rolling out the infrastructure for non-prod SAP projects. This slows down the large enterprise. In the cloud, with automation from companies such as SUSE, Microsoft, Google, and AWS, you can get a full NetWeaver stack SAP up and running. We're not even talking about HANA up and running in just a half an hour or so, or even if that timeline was spanned down to a week, that is definitely worth the advantage. The second point about cloud and SAP in the cloud that I heard consistently is the ability to use cloud native services like TensorFlow, S3 storage, machine learning applications natively with your SAP databases or your SAP data sets, specifically HANA. The ability to use in-memory databases and combine that with your data lakes based in the cloud drives what SAP is calling the intelligent business. So a lot of stories, a lot of value for SAP in the cloud. I'd love to hear your journey. Are you talking about doing SAP in the cloud? Do you have questions about whether or not SAP or any other ERP is an appropriate app for the cloud? Steady state apps, we're told, should not run in the cloud because it doesn't make economic sense. Is there advantages to doing it otherwise? Talk to you next, CTO Dose.